In this video, I will show you how to connect WhatsApp with Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho Desk account. Now, go to the top right corner and click on the Settings button. Once you're in the Settings board, scroll down to the Integration section and click on Marketplace. At the top right of the Marketplace page, you will see a search bar. Type in WhatsApp and press Enter. From the list of results, click on the third card, which is the Gups Hop WhatsApp messaging for Zoho Desk integration. Next, click on the Install button. A pop-up will appear showing the terms of service and privacy policy. Check both boxes and then click Install. You will be redirected again to another confirmation page. Click Agree to the terms of use, select Support Administrator as your access level, and click Install one more time. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a confirmation that the Gups Hop WhatsApp integration has been successfully added. And that's how to connect WhatsApp with Zoho Desk.